Hello and welcome to the interchange video for Intro Unit 2. Today we're talking about a, an, this, these. Okay, let's get started. A and an are articles for singular things. Singular. For example, this is a bird. This is a bird, or this is a bird. But it's one bird, so singular. A or a is for consonant sounds. For example, b, k, d, f, j. Example, bird. This is a bird. An is singular. An is for vowel sounds. A, e, o, u. For example, this is an elephant. The vowel sound elephant, and the article an elephant. Very good. So let's practice. For example, book. What is the article? A or an? A book, because B is a consonant sound. A book. Eraser? An eraser, because E is a vowel sound. Key. This is a key. Wallet. This is a wallet. iPhone. This is an iPhone. Dictionary. This is a dictionary. Encyclopedia. This is an encyclopedia. Apple. This is an apple. Elephant. This is an elephant. Very good. The articles a or a and an.